Hey everyone! It's your girl Ariana, back with another video. And because it's officially a sauna outside, we're talking about how to keep our makeup looking flawless even when the temperature's trying to melt it off. Seriously though, is there anything worse than feeling your foundation sliding down your face? Ugh, the struggle is real. But don't worry, I've got you. I've put together some of my absolute best sweat-proof makeup tips and tricks. And believe me, these babies have been tested in the Indian heat. Get ready for long-lasting, heat-defying makeup that stays put. First things first, we have to start with a strong base. And by strong, I mean a foundation that's not going to quit on you the second you step outside. Look for formulas that say things like long-wearing, sweat-resistant, or even waterproof. Trust me, those words are your new BFFs. Some of my personal faves? The Estee Lauder Double Wear is a classic for a reason. It seriously does not budge. But if you're looking for something a little more affordable, the Maybelline Superstay and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte are both amazing options. And the best part is they come in a ton of shades so you can find your perfect match. Okay, maybe you're not a full coverage foundation kind of girl, especially in the summer, and that's totally cool. You can still get amazing coverage and longevity with a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. The key here is to look for formulas that are oil-free and sweat-resistant. I am obsessed with the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. It gives you this gorgeous, dewy finish without looking greasy, and it has SPF 50+. Another great option is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It's super lightweight and hydrating, and it gives you this beautiful, natural-looking glow. Let's be real, even with amazing foundation, we all have days when we need a little extra help covering up those dark circles or blemishes. And that's where a good concealer comes in, especially a waterproof one. Seriously, waterproof concealer is a game changer in the summer. It won't crease, it won't smudge, and it will stay put even if you sweat. Chapter 4. Matte Finish Setting Powder. Now that we've got our base covered, let's talk about setting everything in place. Because even if you use the most long-wearing, sweat-proof foundation in the world, it's still a good idea to set it with powder, especially in hot and humid weather. And this is a big but, you don't want to use just any powder. You want something that's going to control shine without looking cakey or heavy. Chapter 5. Smudge-proof mascara and eyeliner. Okay, now for everyone's favorite part, eyes. When it comes to summer makeup, I'm all about keeping things simple and smudge-proof. Because the last thing you want is your mascara and eyeliner running down your face, right? For mascara, you can't go wrong with a good waterproof formula. Chapter 6. Bronzer and Blush Longwear. Bronzer and blush are my summer essentials. They just add that perfect touch of warmth and color. But of course, we want to make sure they stay put all day long, even when we're sweating. Chapter 7. Sweatproof lipstick and glosses. Time for the lips. For me, a bold lip is a must, even in the summer. But nobody wants to be worrying about their lipstick smearing or fading in the heat. That's why I always go for long-wearing, transfer-proof formulas. Chapter 8. Extra Hold Setting Spray. And finally, to lock in your entire look and make sure your makeup doesn't budge a single inch, you need a good setting spray. And I mean a really good one. This is the key to keeping your makeup in place all day and night, even in the most extreme heat and humidity. Outrow, beat the heat sweat-proof makeup tips, and there you have it. Those are my top tips for sweat-proof makeup that will keep you looking flawless all summer long. Just remember, the key is to choose long-wearing, heat-resistant formulas, and don't forget to set everything in place with a good setting spray.